Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. Today I have an unboxing for you of a pre-loved item. It is a Demellier of London Nano Montreal bag. This is the boxes I received it. Now I picked up this bag from Poshmark. It is my first time shopping from there, so I wasn't sure exactly what to expect. I did check to ensure the seller had excellent ratings, as well as closely examined the pictures of the bag. This bag is the Demellier of London Nano Montreal bag. It is the puffy style, and as you can see from the bag, it has a top handle and very smooth leather. The seller did include a crossbody strap for the bag on the interior, and as you can see, it took me a few minutes to figure out how to open the bag. As I came to find out, there is a button at the bottom that releases the latch for the lock. The hardware on the bag was very scratched. To me, that is not a problem at all because the bag I did not have to pay nearly as much for. In case you're wondering, it measures 7 inches across. In height, I believe it's about 4.5 inches. On the side, there's 3 inches, 4 inches again. The handle measures about 4 inches by 2.5 inches. And I did not film any mod shots, but I did take a quick interior look. It is very, very small. My phone will only fit if you put it diagonally with my wallet and perhaps a lipstick. In order to wear the bag strap, there are 2 D-rings on the back of the bag. The strap has a lobster clasp mechanism and is adjustable. The strap is made up of full leather and does reach fairly far. As for the interior of the bag, there is a zip pocket in the back. You can see I have tried to fit my phone again, but it will only work diagonally. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me. I'll have some updates on the wear and tear for this bag pretty soon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video, and I'll see you on the next go round.